job. My duty is protect my wife and kids, and I have to support them. That's why I don't have any work and I am doing this. And then they said, you can go and ask them if they will also take some part of your sins. And they said, okay. And he went home and he asked them, and why we want to go to hell and why we took your sins. It's your duty to protect us and maintain us, like they said. And then came back to Rishis, and the Rishis gave the Rama mantra to him. And and Rama mantra also, actually, some Purana says they gave the rivers, and Rama is not gave, they gave the Mara. Yeah, but they gave the Rama mantra, and he did tapas, and Brahma came out of it, and you got stage of sage, and you can wrote the you did tapas with Rama mantra, right? That's why you can wrote the Rama Charita. And then how to start? Who is Rama? And what is the benefit from it? He have so many doubts. And then Valmiki came into his ashram, his kutir. And then he went before him, and he invited into ashram, and he did Pada Puja and everything. And he gave a nice asan to sit him, and did puja and everything, and take his Pada Tirtha and take his blessings. And after that, hey Rishi, you are a great sage. You are a Brahmaputra. Narada is a Brahmaputra, right? You are a great sage. You are traveling 3 lokas, and you know everything. That's why I want to ask some questions. I have some doubts. I want to write a nice person's history. I want to write nice person's history. I have some what we call configuration.
Okay.
I need some configuration of man.
Okay.
If we buy something, we look about the configuration, right? That's why he also looking some configuration. What do you want? And he asked about 16 gunas. 16.
Yeah.
16 gunas. He asked, what is those? Means first he asmin loke, sampradhan loke, nowadays, not before, not coming, now, in the earth, human, not devatas. Human now in the earth who have these qualities. First one, gunavan, who is the nice, good heartedly. Gunavan, viryavan, who is nice, shakti. Dharmagnaha. The second slokam will start like this. Dharmagnaha. Konvasmin sampratam loke gunavan kascha viryavan dharmagnyascha krutagnascha. Actually, first we have the before slokas. Rama, we have to chant Ramayana before we have to chant some slokas and Valmiki Prarthana. Those slokas are there, and after that, the number 1 will start again.
Okay.
Again 1 starts. After maybe 30 slokas.
Yes. After 30
slokas, again 1 will start. There is the second sloka, starts like this. Gunavan, viryavan, dharmagnaha, krutagnaha. Krutagnaha means who have the gratitude. Satyavakyaha, every time he only tells truth. Gunavan, dharmagnaha, krutagnaha, satyavakyaha. Drudha vrataha. Drudha vrataha means whenever he start a work, he never give up. Till the end, he is do the work. Like Drudha Vrataha, Charitrena Chako Yuktaha. Charitrena Chako Yuktaha means nice name. Not only in home, right? Fame, yeah. Dharma, Charitrena Chako Yuktaha. Sarvabhuteshu Kohitaha. Sarvabhuteshu Kohitaha means every prani, like creature, yeah, he is seeing same as a human.
Value the life.
He knows the value of the life. He don't hunt, he don't hit, he don't do anything bad to that creatures. Sarva Bhuteshu, not only humans, it's anything, dogs, goats, cows, and anything. Sarva Bhutesh Gohitaha. Next. Bhutesh Gohitaha. Vidwan. Vidwan means well learned about Shastras. Vidwan Kahka Samardhascha. Samardha means doing anything, he can do anything. Samardha. Vidwan Kahka Samardhascha. Kaschaika Priyadarshana. And nice beautiful body. If anyone sees, oh, very nice, they can't turn their eyes. Sarvabhute Dharmagyasya Vritagnya Satyavakya Charitrena Yukta Sarvabhute Vidwan Gakka Samardhasya Kaschaika Priyadarshana. Atmavan, who have the knowledge about soul. And like this, he asked about 16 gunas. And Narada replied, yeah, you asked very well. But nowadays, 16 gunas, you asked only 16. I have to tell more than that. I will tell you. In the earth, nowadays, we have some person have 64 gunas. 64 gunas. You are asked only 16. I will tell you 4 times then that. You asked for 25%. I am telling you 100% man about. I am telling you about 100% man. And he said about Ramacharita. He did Upadesha to Valmiki. Narada did Upadesha to Valmiki. And those Upadesham called Sankshepa Ramayana. And whatever Valmiki wrote, 24,000 of shlokas, those 24,000 shlokas essence, Narada compressed in 100 shlokas, like zip file. Everything is in it, like that. That's why if whoever chant these 100 shlokas, they get benefit of chanting 24,000 shlokas.